How's it going, guys? Dita here on the microphone, and it's the 1st of September 2018, and we're here with Timothy. Hi Tim.
Hi.
He's 13 today. Look at the size of him. Okay, it's very hard to compare till you get Frank, who's 18, who's over there. I'll get him next to his brother in a minute. 18, Frankie's already 6'2". Timmy, what are you?
6 foot.
Just coming up on 6 foot. Yeah, not bad for 13 years of age, is he? Okay, we're here on a little job here at Thornside, where we have an extension coming out of the building. A little veranda or deck, whatever you want to call it, with a roof on, up there, and carport underneath. Go stand next to Frank for a second. There's 13 years against 18 years. How's that? All right, doing well. Thank you. And we'll go over here. We had the engineer out here yesterday, and he's okayed everything for the footings. Going down there. We hit rock down there. These holes are supposed to be 1500 deep. If you see, there's a gold coin down just over there. There's 2 gold coins in there. Oh, the other one's over in that corner over there. Gold coin in every hole, paying forward. I've already started pouring cement into this one. Here's 1500. Over here. Okay, we've upsized everything. 1500 deep. 90 by 90 by 5 mil. What we've got there, because we've got 300 PFC over the top. And we've got 100 by 100 by 5 mil here at the front. Once again, the coin on the landing, coin down the hole. See that paying forward. We've got our lines in, showing where we've got to put the posts. And that's what we're doing. My posts are over there. Put the bases on this morning, painted them yesterday. So we've also got the Interplus 1180, which we have on the bottom, and I'm going to paint these beams yet. I've already started painting yesterday, but they're big and heavy, and by myself it's a bit difficult. So my sons are here today. We'll paint them, roll them over, cut them to size, and that'll start getting everything where we want them. Okay, so that's where we're at. We'll catch you guys again soon once the posts are in, and talk about it then. Thanks guys, catch you again soon. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Love to see that. Thanks guys, see ya, bye.